So excited. I'm so excited. What's up, guys? Casey back with another video, and today is kind of a special one because this is probably the most hyped item I've ever bought, in my life, and it's probably the most expensive one that I've bought, considering I buy so much Supreme, but just on one piece, this is probably the most I've spent. But I do have like quite a bit of stuff, so I just want to unbox that for you guys because I was waiting for this package. It was just the last one to arrive, and I hope you guys enjoy this video because I'm kind of excited for it. So yeah, but before we get into that, make sure to like the video, comment down below maybe what's your favorite item of this video, and subscribe because that that always helps out a lot, and it's all that stuff that I'm asking for is free. It's just 2 seconds, 3 clicks. And yeah, so yeah, let's just get straight into it because I'm super excited and I want to get this video and get it out for you guys. So let's go. Alright, so the first item is going to be in this package right here, or items, should I say. I can't remember. I don't even know what's really in this box. But, thankfully I bought this knife because it just makes it a lot easier to open these boxes, and just carrying this every day is just, very helpful. More. I don't know why Supreme does this now. Like, they just put all this nonsense of paper in this package like it's gonna save whatever's in here. It's not, but yeah, let's just get straight into it because I want to see all this stuff. Alright, get that out of here. Alright, so 2 box logo stickers right there, and alright, so the first thing we got right here is the Pelican case in red right here. Look how fire that looks. Like, this thing looks absolutely insane. This did release a couple weeks ago, but I was able to get it on a restock with some of the items that I'm about to show in this video. But yeah, this thing looks absolutely insane. I kind of wanted the green one, but like I always say, red is my favorite color and it's the color to go with. Because look at just that Supreme. It just won't even finish it. Just Supreme in this beautiful, beautiful red. I might have some B-roll clips on the back behind this while I'm talking. But yeah, let's just get straight into the next item right here. The next item we have right here, if you can already see, is the Supreme Statue of Liberty book bag right here with a collaboration with the North Face. Just look at how insane this looks. This collaboration was pretty dope. I actually really liked it a lot. And every time Supreme and North Face collab, it's always going to be made by the North Face, so you're going to have really, really good quality. You have this jacket right here in the yellow. They did release a black, red, yellow, and I think another color. I can't remember, but yeah, I got the yellow one right here. And this item didn't really sell out that fast. I could have probably got a couple more, but I just wanted to get this one. This isn't going to be for the personal because I already have enough book bags. But yeah, this is something I'll probably just keep for like a year or a couple months and then end up selling eventually. But yeah, this thing is absolutely dope. Alright, last but certainly not least, it's probably going to be the best. Alright, hold on. Before we get into this one, I need to unbox another one. This has nothing to do with Supreme. It's literally more pops that I always keep freaking ordering, but can't get enough of pops anyway. So yeah, let's get into it. It's these 2 big old ones that I've wanted for a while. So let's put that on the ground. First one we have right here. Well, all these are Galactic Toy exclusive. So you have this Shenron right here, the 6-inch Shenron. He absolutely looks insane. I'm in between whether I should keep him and the other one in the boxes or just have them out because I'm going to keep these for personal for probably ever because I really wanted these. But look at how insane he looks. And the next one is probably my favorite pop of all time, is going to be the 6-inch Broly right here. The Galactic Toys exclusive. He looks absolutely insane. There's like 3 versions of him. There's this one, the chase version that glows in the dark, and then the smaller version, like normal size pop. But yeah, this is the 6-inch one where he's powering up. And I've watched Dragon Ball Z since I was young, since I was a little kid, so just to have this one in my collection is absolutely insane. Right above me I have all the Dragon Ball Z ones that I have in just one little section, but yeah, I'm definitely going to be keeping those for a really long time. And and probably ever. But yeah, let's get straight into this one because I'm super excited for this one. You guys are nuts. Do you see the smile? I'm literally smiling so hard because I'm excited for this package. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, and I'll make sure not to cut anything or no body. Have it right there. Second cut. And the final cut right there. What the fuck? Alright, fourth cut. But that one's away from me. Never cut. Or that one time. Never cut towards you. Yeah, so oh my god, I'm super excited. Oh my god. If you guys since you saw the book bag, you probably might know what this next item is, but this is absolutely insane. We have the Baltoro Supreme North Face jacket right here in the beautiful, beautiful red. This item is absolutely fucking insane. I did have to get it on StockX just because I couldn't get it when it dropped. So yeah, I got it on a pretty good price considering these always go up in value every time. And like every month they'll go up. But yeah, we have this red Baltoro North Face Statue of Liberty right there in the front. This thing looks absolutely insane. Then you have it in the red right there. And then you have it in the back right here. You have Supreme on the headrest right there. Not the headrest, but the head right there. And this item just looks absolutely insane. I'm going to take a couple pictures with this, so I'll probably be able to have them in this clip, or if not, just make sure to go follow me on Instagram, and I'll have them there on my feed and on my story. So yeah, a little plug. But yeah, I'm going to try to get some pictures in the video for you guys, or some B-roll of me wearing it, but this just absolutely looks so much better in person. This is absolutely insane. But yeah, that's kind of pretty much it for today, guys. This was, like I said, my most expensive and my most, like, probably the best hype piece or any Supreme piece I've ever got. So yeah, I just plan on I plan on keeping it for a little bit, not too long. Just when the value goes up, I am gonna resell it because that is a lot that I paid for that jacket, not to get my money back. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I was really excited. This is probably one of my most favorite unboxings that I've done in a really long time, just because I did get quite a bit of stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you did, just like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe if you aren't already. It's really going to help the channel out a lot for me to keep doing these things for you guys if you enjoy them. Let me know down in the comments below also maybe what other brands you guys might want to see. If you guys are getting tired of me reviewing Supreme or unboxing it, maybe I buy some more brands that you guys would suggest, and I'd be happy to unbox it and review it for you guys. So that's it for this video, and as always, peace.